A teaspoon of sugar can stop your hiccups instantly. This sweet fix isn't just an old wives' tale, it's backed by science. When you swallow a spoonful of sugar, the grainy texture stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps reset your diaphragm spasms and halts those pesky hiccups. It's like a surprise for your nervous system that shifts its focus, giving you instant relief. Plus, it's a quick, easy remedy you can find in any kitchen, making it a convenient go-to solution when you're caught off guard. Next time hiccups strike, skip the water and head for the sugar jar instead.